How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So,
hello.
Got my helper here.
I'm a nice fixer.
Today we are doing a do-it-yourself DIY.
Doing a project on this big den because isn't that pretty old? Does it look like what? So why you don't take it at it?
There you go. So we are fixing the screen door. The closure on it doesn't really work anymore. When you open the door, it takes forever to close, and there's no adjustment on this one. So we went to the local hardware store and picked up a replacement storm door closure. I think it was like 11 bucks. So it's pretty cheap. It's got the directions and everything on the back of it. And this one's white, so it will match the door a little better. So we're going to take the old one off and get this new one put on. Stick with us.
Get back in.
You gotta go the other way.
Hey guys.
No, the other way.
Oh.
Let's take the thing off. Let's take the closure off.
What?
So 2 pins, pop that old one off. Then you got Phillips here.
Whoa, sorry.
And you got 4 of them on there. Now you can use a screwdriver, or if you have at your disposal a drill or
you start at this
impact
one.
driver.
I start at this one, okay?
It'll make things a lot easier.
Get the old broken piece out of it because I do not really like this door. So let's add it by. Sorry. Let's turn this in there and turn it.
You want to use the drill?
No, I really like this one. Yeah. How long did he did these?
Well, they're fairly long. See? See how long they are?
Yeah.
They're pretty super long.
How about these?
You sure you don't want to use the drill?
No.
Okay.
Look how long it's doing. Turn. And I'm turning the right way.
Yeah.
I thought these were short.
Oh, other way.
No!
Might be. Perfect.
So
all right.
all we need to do is that these ones out. This will be for. This one is hard.
Well,
I'm gonna use a drill for this one.
yeah, here's the drill.
I think this one didn't work. Or...
Whoa.
Silly me. But those ones are small.
Super short. Yeah, we got one more.
Let's see if I could take it on easy this time.
All right. Perfect.
So now we got they are out.
So we got the old hardware off.
I think we need some nuts to break this thing open. Oh, haha, good. You have good pocket office here, dude. Lucky dog. To break that thing open right out of your shipnet box. Hey, look at this big dog.
Alright.
So, what?
So they're the same length, but the new one
Wait.
has the adjustment screw to adjust how slow or fast the screen door closes. So,
Can you open this so you fucking up?
we're going to.
Sorry, did it over there.
No, we'll just leave it right there for now. We'll reuse some of the old hardware
We could use these two boats.
and some of the new hardware.
I'm gonna use these ones for a Sackman. Sackman is not, but no. I think you are gonna need these ones are not. This part is really old.
Is it?
Back there, I found lots of old trash and screws like these.
Well, let's get that bracket put on.
So I'm gonna use
No, you're gonna use these again.
uh,
The long ones from the old one.
So we are gonna use these for this
Yes. So this will go.
over here.
It says storm that direction. So just like such. Dude, come on, homie.
Come on, Wilma. You know. So what I'm gonna use? That's always a screw. This
Why
time.
don't you use the drill?
I think first. Roll in there, let's roll it. Well, let's roll it back in place. Let's roll it back. Let's roll it into a wall. Let's roll it into a wall. We almost at it. See, we are almost there, Dad.
A DIY and a concert. Only on a Midwest Family YouTube channel. Tell your friends.
See, we are almost there, Dad.
Yes, we are. Making short work of this.
See, Dad, you need to know how it goes. You should know it.
You're just super smart.
Let's roll it into this sick barrel.
What do you think? You like it?
Yes, I do. I do. Let's dip this one in. next one for me. Can you save the next one for me?
Save that one for you. Why don't you do this one?
I still want to do this one. I'm almost there anyway.
Okay, well.
See, is it much better in a drill? A drill takes much longer, Dad. Did I save the next one for me?
I saved it. I just got it started for you. See?
No, you die always.
No, it's not. You still got quite a ways to go with it. All right, let's call it good.
And let's take it back out.
Let's.
See.
Is that one? What's that one? That one's okay.
Oh, we need to do.
You can do that other piece.
Of ourselves, dude.
That one, you'll want to use this. No. Oh, don't drop those.
It's still on these logs over there. So
Let's close the door.
I don't think.
And then.
We gotta sit back in. So I don't want to poke myself on these big guys.
Nope, so you got. This will go this way. So we'll start.
Hey, stop digging on myself, dude.
We'll start it kind of where it used to be. We'll put one in and see how it fits. Good?
Yep.
All right. Hold on, no, we gotta
So
see how this lines up.
you could line up perfect. But we don't need a boat.
So
Hey dude, stop it, dude.
dude, we gotta make sure it lines up, dude. Make sure it fits, man, before you put all your screws in.
Yeah. Got it.
Use the screwdriver.
Yes, I am, but he does. Easy, huh? I take a good shot. Good?
Is it good and tight?
Yep. Let's see. Good and tight.
Good and tight? Alright, now,
Let's see how it opens.
well, you
Oh,
gotta
see.
put this on first.
Oh, me.
So the long
Looks like we have extra.
pin goes on the door.
These. And wait for this.
The short pin. No. Use the pin.
Let's see how it opens. Well,
Not bad for a first shot.
yeah. Well,
Wow, we might not even have to adjust it.
that's that, dude.
Well, there you go.
I got your fucking knife.
Open,
Close.
just enough to close it. Perfect. All right.
It's a good
Ta-da!
Yeah, it's perfect, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. So
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So we ended up not.
So you don't know, dudes.
So we ended up not having to adjust the adjustment screw on the end of the closure. We probably will have to make some sort of adjustment when we open the glass and go to the screen option, but that's pretty simple to do. So tools required for this install that we used: Phillips screwdriver, a utility knife, or a pair of sharp scissors to open the package, and the option of using a power drill with a Phillips head bit on it. So there you go. We got a lot of projects coming up. Good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Looks like it.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you got the entertainment or the information that you're looking for. It's a pretty simple project, and if you know how to use a screwdriver, then you can do it. Save yourself a handyman call. Well, we'll see you next time.
Stay tuned for what's the adventure and giveaway.
Stay tuned for the next adventure.
Yeah.
See you next time. Stay safe.